Hi there, this is video 4. This is the last video in our series on Vanishing Point, and it's to finish up what we've already created. So as you can see, we've written our first name and an extra word or your last name, whatever it happened to be. We added all the effects and we made it look really cool. However, by this doorway right here, some of the word or the letters show in the doorway, and it doesn't look like it would be a natural thing to happen. So if someone really came up here and spray painted, there would be no paint in this empty space right here. So we're going to get rid of it. So the first thing you have to do is go over to your layers panel and click the word that is over the doorway. And then you go down to the bottom of your layers panel and you click this little symbol that's a rectangle with a hole in it, and I'll call it the rectangle donut. So you click that, and it adds a special little area right here that's white, and there's a dotted line around the white area, which is exactly where we want it, because it tells Photopea I'm going to be working on the white area because the dotted line is around it. Now, if we move all the way to the left and look at your color picker, it should be black and white. If it is not black and white, just click this little tiny symbol right here and it will automatically change to black and white. Now, if the white symbol is on top, all you have to do is click this little back and forth arrow and the black symbol shows on top. And you have to remember that black will erase things, white will replace things. And we're going to move up our layers panel to our brush tool. And we're going to click that. And we're going to move out onto our picture. And your circle, you may not be able to see it. It may be super tiny. So to make it larger, you can press the bracket keys, which are right next to the letter P on your keyboard. And one bracket key will make the circle larger and one will make it smaller. So if I started to erase in here, this area is a little too small to really do a good job. I'm going to go back over to my zoom tool. Make sure in the tool options bar the plus portion is selected, and then move over to put the magnifying glass on the doorway itself and click 1, 2 times to make it larger. Now it's easy to see. I'm going to go back over to my brush tool, click it, move it back on the photo, and I can adjust the size of my circle by using the bracket keys. Now, all I have to do with the black color on top is click and hold, and I can start to erase that color out of the doorway. And I can adjust it smaller if I need to get these fine areas. And we just have to keep going until it's all the way gone. All right, and that was really simple and easy. And now I'm going to click my zoom tool again, click fit the area, and that's the way it looks. All right, if this is the way you want it, your final save will be File, Save More, PSD to Storage. Make sure it goes into your Vanishing Point folder when you do. Thank you very much.